Hey everybody, it's Keith with Bob CNC. Welcome to Shop Talk, and I'm here as always with my long-suffering friend Robert.
And I'm here with my short-suffering Keith.
No,
Haven's
very impatient kind of guy is what I am. But anyway, what we want to talk about today is the new router mount design for the Evolution Series routers.
Right.
And the reason we're talking about it is some folks have written in, sent us emails and said, hey, I've got the router mounted.
It won't fit. Yeah.
Well, no, it fits great. It slips up, it slips down, it's not tight. And so
I was talking about the group that mails in that says they just can't get it in. So there's really a two-step process.
We got two
We'll
possible
cover them
issues.
both.
Let's do that.
Okay.
So anyway, when you're putting your kit together, you'll notice that you've got 4 plates that fit on the bottom of the router mount, and you have a plate that sits above this. Then you have these 2 sandwiched in, and the difference between the two is the upper and the lower plate are going to have a single hole.
That's where these screws go through.
And the middle plate are slotted, and they're not large slots, but they give just enough room so this plate can slide back and forth.
Right, so we're going to hold the router, we're going to clamp the router using double shear is what they call it. So the first thing that you might notice, especially if you put it together and these screws are in tight, and I'm just going to go ahead and push that down, and I'm going to put this in from the upside down, but I'm just going to show you what happens. It gets stuck, right? It doesn't fit. However, if you will just take and just kind of wiggle that back and forth so you line all those plates up.
Well, that's if the screws in back that are used to tighten
the 4 inner screws are loose.
In the manual, we have those circled in red.
Right.
And so I know that some of you guys, maybe like me, when you put it together, you put it together.
Right.
And so they're tight, and you're never going to get that through the bottom when they're tight.
Right, so they have to be loose.
Loosened. Yeah.
So that's why you have those slots. Now, once you get to where it's sliding in and out, it'll stay, right? So, you know, it's got enough force there that it'll keep it in position. Now you can go ahead and, finish the rest of your assembly. And then when you get into the final assembly where you're assembling the router, so, it will hopefully still slide in and it goes all the way. Now we're going to need to tighten these screws up. Now, I have an invisible gantry and an invisible Y carriage that have holes in them. So you're going to have to line the Y carriage up and also the Z carriage up, so that your screwdriver will grab these holes right here.
I'm just wondering if you have invisible friends too.
I do have invisible friends. Is this a problem? Do you not have invisible friends?
I try not to tell people about it.
Okay, well, I don't mind. My friends are nice to me. Are your invisible friends nice to you?
I don't have any, Bob.
Really?
I'm not going to admit it. No.
You don't have very many friends at all, do you?
Anyway. I look forward to this every time because I say I got one.
Okay, you got a best friend.
Yeah.
Your wife likes you, doesn't? Well, let's not go there. Anyway, me and my invisible gantry. Now I've moved the invisible gantry and Y carriage out of the way, but you can see now that this router is in there really tight.
Snug, yeah.
Right. So yeah, it definitely needs to be clamped down. You can't just set your router in there and start using it. It won't work that way.
Right.
So again, to line them up, just wiggle that router through the bottom and then check it to go as fit. And then check it to make sure that it fits.
Right.
And then later, when you install it, it should slip right in there, and you have to tighten those 4 screws.
We've also posted a blog about this.
Yeah, you did.
Well, I think you did. Well,
you wrote it. I posted it.
Oh, that was it.
Yeah.
All right. But anyway, we've got a blog that outlines this with some illustrations. If you got any questions about the router mount or any of our products, you can get a hold of us at the help desk at bobcnc.com. So I guess till next time, that's it.
Yeah, thanks
guys.
for watching.